Bas wadonjo ne weche mag tuke ni klab mar Gor Mahia oriembo tich kocha margi kod jokony mage duto kaluwore gi rach mosebedo e tukego ma season ma hige ma to ahinya bang' ka nyocha ologi e final mar FKF Cup momagi okombe. Jakom Ambrose Rachier wacho ni giwinjore gi jogo duto mogol e timno ma giduto bende giseketo nyaka sei. Rachier wacho ni nyaka jaket arita ne klabno kod jata tije Raymond Orua bende or pacho jotugo ma oragi mondo rumo bende nonyisi ni ok medo rak.
Is to announce the steps that we have taken this morning, and that is entering into a mutual agreement with all the members of our technical committee and the supporting staff to part ways. They cease to be our employees. This includes the 2 assistant coaches, training fitness trainer, the medical personnel, who are 2 of them, the team manager, stroke logistics manager, the goalkeeper trainer, and then our security personnel. I hope I've not left anybody out. We also have had a similar arrangement with the CEO, Mr. Raymond Orua. We have players whose contracts have expired. That's one category. And where we are convinced that they are not, we don't want to renew, they will just renew. So there's no question of getting rid of them, just telling them your contract is over, we are not renewing. Then, that's not one category. The next category are, for example, those we think are non-performers.